Video we will start the chapter number 5 of class length arithmetic progression. Before starting the arithmetic progression, we have to know what is AP. So what is AP? An AP is a list of numbers in which each term obtained by adding fixed number to the preceding term. यानी नंबर का वो लिस्ट जिसमें ईच टर्म ऑब्टेन्ड बाय एडिंग अ फिक्स नंबर टू इट्स प्रीवियस टर्म, यानी नंबर्स का वो सीक्वेंस जिसमें नेक्स्ट टर्म क्या होता है, प्रीवियस टर्म में एक फिक्स नंबर को ऐड करके मिलता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द एपी. दैट सीक्वेंस इज कॉल्ड द एपी. Suppose the sequence is this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, ... And the sequence, in this sequence, this is the first term, this is the second term, third term, fourth term, and the fifth term. If we see, if we add +2 to this term to get the next term, again we are adding +2 to this term, second term, we get the third term. If we are adding +2 to third term, we are getting fourth term. And if we are adding +2 to fourth term, we are getting the fifth term. Here we clearly see, if we add +2, यहाँ हम क्या देख रहे हैं, अगर हम +2 ऐड करें प्रीवियस टर्म में तो हमें क्या मिलता है, we are getting the next term. So that we are getting the constant fixed number and constant number to get the next term. यहाँ वो constant fixed number क्या है, 2, and that fixed number is called the common difference of the AP. If the fixed number common difference is same, यानी एक ही fixed number रहता है, ये change नहीं होता, यहाँ 2 है, so common difference is 2. That is called the common difference. Common difference denoted by D. Suppose the first term of AP is, the term of an A series is A1, A2, A3, A4, ... nth term is an. So if common difference is same, this is an AP. जब common difference same होगा, common difference को हम किससे डिनोट करते हैं, D से. If the common difference is same, this is AP. So its first term is A1, and A1 is called A. First term, that is first term क्या है, A1, and that is called the A. हम जो first term होता है उसको क्या कहते हैं, A. Now as per the definition, we get the next term by adding a fixed value. It means by adding a common difference. So second term, that is A2, that is A1 plus D. First term plus common difference, यही तो था. सेकेंड टर्म क्या था, फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस कॉमन डिफरेंस, that is A plus D. Similarly, third term A3, third term A3, we are adding a fixed number. It means if we add a fixed number to the second term, we are getting the third term. अगर हम second term में common difference को add करें तो what we are getting, we are getting the third term. हमें क्या मिलेगा, third term. So third term equals to second term A2 plus common difference D. And what is A2? A2 is A plus D equals to A plus 2D. Clear? First term is A, second term A2 is A plus D, third term A3 is A plus 2D. So we see clearly, we can write first term A equals to A plus 0D. D is not present, D नहीं है तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, A plus 0D. Second term A plus D, third term A plus 3D. If it is the first term, D is 0. One less than the term. In the second term, D is 1. So one less than the term number. A3 third term is A plus 2D. That is one less than the term number. If we are find out the nth term, क्या होगा, A plus, what is D? The sequence is D is always one less than the term number. Here is the term number is n. D क्या है, D is one less than the term number. Here term number is n. So n term is A plus one less than, D is one less than the term is n. So D is n minus 1 into D. And that n term is denoted by either En or An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. By using this formula, we can find out any term of AP. If we are having a first term A and the common difference D is given. अगर हमारे पास फर्स्ट टर्म है और कॉमन डिफरेंस है तो हम AP को फाइंड आउट, किसी भी टर्म को AP में फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Now see, suppose this is the example 1 3 5 7 dot dot dot. We have to find out the 10th term. We have to find out the 10th term. So n equals to 10. फॉर्मूला क्या था, an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. an nth term, an equals to nth term, a equals to first term. a क्या था यहाँ, फर्स्ट टर्म था. d is common difference. And n equals to term number. Here term number is 10 term, n 10, n equals to 10. First term A equals to 1 and D equals, what is D? D is the difference of two consecutive terms. 3 minus 1 equals to 2. Find out, put the value A10 because the value of n is 10 equals to A, value of A is 1 plus n minus n is 10, n minus 1 into D, D is 2. Find out 1 plus 9 into 2 equals to 1 plus 18. A10 equals to 19. It means 10 term of that AB is 19. Similarly, we can find out any number of terms. Now we move to exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1. एक्सरसाइज 5.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फर्स्ट पार्ट. What is the question? Question is that in which of the following situation does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? Some problems are given. इसमें क्या है, कुछ problems given है. We have to find out whether the number involving in it are in arithmetic progression, are in AP or not. If they are in AP, why they are in AP. हम किसी भी नंबर के सीक्वेंस को कैसे पता चलाएंगे एपी में है कि नहीं. रीजन तो वही होगा, सेम होगा. रीजन ये होगा कि इफ द कॉमन डिफरेंस इज सेम द गिवन नंबर्स आर इन एपी. इफ द कॉमन डिफरेंस इज नॉट सेम, अगर कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम नहीं होगा तो गिवन सीक्वेंस है जो नंबर्स का वो एपी में नहीं होगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट, द टैक्सी फेयर आफ्टर ईच किलोमीटर when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Taxi fare for first kilometer equals to rupees 50. फर्स्ट किलोमीटर का फेयर क्या है 15 रुपीज. आफ्टर द फर्स्ट किलोमीटर, फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के बाद जितने भी एडिशनल किलोमीटर होंगे उनके लिए फेयर क्या है रुपीज 8 पर किलोमीटर. ना फेयर फॉर सेकेंड 2 किलोमीटर इक्वल्स टू रुपीज 15 फॉर फर्स्ट and rupees 8 for the second equals to rupees 23. Now fare for 3 kilometer equals to rupees 23 plus rupees 8. सेकेंड किलोमीटर का फेयर प्लस एडिशनल 1 किलोमीटर का फेयर 8 इक्वल्स टू रुपीज 31. सो द नंबर्स आर 15, 23 एंड 31. Therefore sequence is 15, 23, 31, so on. Find out this is A1, this is A2 and this is A3. D find out A2 minus A1 equals to 23 minus 15 equals to 8. Again D also A3 minus A2, D A3 minus A2 भी होगा. So A3 minus A2 equals to 31 minus 23 equals to 8. Here the common difference is same and what is it is? It is 8. Common difference same है क्या है 8. So this sequence forms the AP. इसलिए क्या होगा ये sequence AP बनाएगा. Now move to question number 2. You solve the remaining part. It's very easy. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is that write first 4 term of AP when the first term is A and common difference is D. First I will tell you the fourth part. A equals to minus 1 and B equals to 1 upon. We have to find out first 4 term of the AP. So we find out first term equals to A equals to minus 1. मैंने अभी बताया था फर्स्ट टर्म किसी भी एपी का क्या होता है ए इज द फर्स्ट टर्म तो फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है, क्या है -1, तो फर्स्ट टर्म क्या हो गया -1. नाउ सेकेंड टर्म, मैंने बताया जितना टर्म 1 लेस d, if the term is first, second, then the a plus d. A is -1, d is 1/2. d is 1/2, so this is -1/2. That is the second term. Now find out third term. A plus 2d equals to a is -1 plus d. 2 into d is 1/2. 2 to cancel out. -1 plus 1 equals to 0. This is the third term. Now fourth term. Term is 4, so d is 1 less than the term. A plus 3d. A is -1 plus 3 into d is 1/2. -1 plus 3/2. 2 LCM -2 plus 3, that is 1/2. So 4 term are -1, -1/2, 0 and 1/2. Similarly, you can solve the remaining part. Clear? Now we move to question number 3. Question number 3. What is question number 3? For the following APs. APs are given. जो सीक्वेंस हमें गिवन है उसने दिया हुआ AP है, हमको चेक नहीं करना. We do not have to check. Write the first term and the common difference. We have to write the first term and the common difference. I will telling you the third part. AP is 1/3, 5/3, 9/3, 13/3 and so on. What is we find out? इस क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या करना है, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें फर्स्ट टर्म फाइंड आउट करना है और कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. हमने बताया फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ एवरी AP, फर्स्ट टर्म इज 1/3 और फर्स्ट टर्म क्या होता है A. तो वी राइट फर्स्ट टर्म. Suppose these terms are A1, A2, A3, A4. First term equals to A1 equals to A equals to 1/3. अगर सीक्वेंस A1, A2, A3, A4 माना हमने तो फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है A1 है और A1 को फर्स्ट टर्म को हम क्या कहते हैं A. फर्स्ट टर्म को तो हमने ये बोला था and that is 1/3. Now common difference. कॉमन डिफरेंस D फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे A2 माइनस A1, डिफरेंस ऑफ टू कंसेक्यूटिव एनी टू कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म. हमने बाकी सारे टर्म के बीच में डिफरेंस क्यों नहीं निकाला, क्योंकि उसने दिया हुआ है कि दैट सीरीज इन AP, ये सीरीज ऑलरेडी AP में है तो कॉमन डिफरेंस अभी कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म का सेम होगा ही. सो दिस इज A2 is 5/3 minus A1 is 1/3, that is 4/3. So common difference is 4/3 and first term is 1/3. You solve the remaining question. That's the very. And question number 4 is that which of the following are APs? If they form AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more टर्म्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में क्या है, ए सीरीज इज गिवन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में हमें एक सीरीज गिवन है एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट इट इज एपी और नॉट। तो हमें वी नो दैट if the given sequence series is in AP, if the common difference is same and the given series do not having a common difference same, it is not in AP। तो हम common difference find out करेंगे। if the common difference is same तो we say that the given series is in AP, and if the common difference is not same the given series is not in AP। after that if the series in AP, अगर ये AP में है then we find out its next three terms। तो हमें इसके next three term find out करने हैं। I will telling you the fifth part। so series is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on। this is A1, A2, A3 and A4। हमने माना कि टर्म है A1, A2, A3 and A4, 4 टर्म आ गए हैं। फाइंड आउट दी डिफरेंस ऑफ टू कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म A2 minus A1। A2 is 3 plus root 2, A1 is 3, 3 cancel out, D equals to root 2। Again we say that D equals to A3 minus A2, A3 3 plus 2 root 2 minus A2 3 plus root 2। We solve 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2, 3 cancel out, 2 root 2 minus root 2 that is root 2 D। again D is also A4 minus A3, A4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2। we solve 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2, 3 cancel out, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 that is root 2। so in all the cases the sum of difference of the consecutive term is same, it means common difference is same, so the given series is in AP। D is same, therefore given series is in AP। कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम है तो जब कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम होगा तो सीरीज क्या होगी, एपी में होगी। इफ दिस इज इन एपी वी फाइंड आउट द नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म। अगर एपी में है तो हमें नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म फाइंड आउट करने हैं। अगर कोई सीरीज एपी में नहीं आई, कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम नहीं होगा तो एपी में नहीं होगी, तो हम नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म फाइंड आउट भी नहीं करेंगे। नाउ फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म एंड फोर्थ टर्म। फोर्थ टर्म आर गिवन, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द फिफ्थ टर्म, सिक्स्थ टर्म एंड द सेवंथ टर्म। फिफ्थ टर्म इक्वल्स टू a प्लस, मैंने बताया फिफ्थ टर्म जितना टर्म नंबर में से 1 माइनस कर देते हैं उतना d, 5 में से 1 माइनस करेंगे 4d। a is 3a equals to 3, first term is a, so a is 3 plus d is root 2, so fifth term is 3 plus 4 root 2। Sixth term a plus how much d, 6 minus 1, 1 less, जौन सा टर्म फाइंड आउट करते हैं उससे 1 लेस d, a plus 5d, a is 3 plus 5d is root 2। now we have to find out the seventh term, How much? A plus 16. A is 3, D is root 2. So next three term are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2 and 3 plus 6 root 2. We will discuss in the next exercise in our next video.